In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a contact in Clio Manage. If you manage clients, vendors, or related people in Clio Manage, finding the right record quickly keeps your work moving. Before we start, make sure you're signed in and have permission to view contacts in your account. First, open the Contacts area. Look to the left side of your Clio Manage window for the navigation menu and select Contacts. This takes you to the full list of people and companies stored in your database. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the Contacts option clearly. Next, locate the search field. At the top right of the Contacts page, you'll see a box labeled Filter by Keyword. This field is designed for fast, flexible lookups and works across several common pieces of information. Now, enter what you know about the contact. You can type a name, an email address, a phone number, or a company name. Partial information is fine. Typing just a first name, a fragment of a company, or a few digits of a phone number will still narrow the list. Formatting usually isn't critical, so don't worry about parentheses or dashes in phone numbers. As you type, Clio Manage displays potential matches directly below. If your list is long, add another detail to your keyword to refine the results. Review the results that appear in the list. Take a moment to confirm you have the right person or organization by glancing at the email, phone, or company column. If you don't see what you expect, double-check your spelling, try a different part of the name, or use the company instead of the individual's name. When you've found the correct match, click the contact's name to open their details. This brings you to the profile page where you can view key information at a glance, including primary email, phone numbers, addresses, and any related notes. If you need to make a change, you can edit the contact. Click Edit on the contact page, update the relevant fields, and save. Be accurate and consistent with names and company entries to avoid duplicates. If you're unsure about a change, check your firm's conventions first. That's all it takes to search for a contact in Clio Manage. Open Contacts, use the Filter by Keyword field, review, and open your match, with optional edits if needed. Thanks for watching.